रंग बिरंगी रंगोली से सजा हो हर घर का आंगन, गेंदे की मीठी खुशबू से खुश हो जाए तन मन। हो जाएंगे बोल मीठे, खाएंगे जब मिठाई, आओ मिलकर बांटे खुशियाँ, फिर दिवाली आई। Good morning, respected Sarika ma'am, teachers and my dear students. I, on behalf of Class 1B, heartily welcome you all in today's assembly on one of the major festivals of India, Diwali. Now, little munchkins of grade 1B will proceed the assembly. Over to you, Ibadat.
दिवाली उदास चेहरे फिर खिले तो हो दिवाली। गुड मॉर्निंग रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल मैम, अविनाश मैम, सारिका मैम, मनी मैम and Sudeshna ma'am, all the teachers of foundation here and my dear friends. Today we the students of grade 1B are going to present an assembly on festivals of lights. Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights, one of the major festivals celebrated by Hindus, Jains and Sikhs. The festival usually lasts 5 days and is celebrated during the Hindu Luni Solar month Kartik between mid-October to mid-November.
सबका स्वामी तू, अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी, तेरे चरणों में चारों धाम, तेरा मेरा मेरा मेरा। तू ही बिगाड़े तू ही सवारे, तू ही बिगाड़े तू ही सवारे, इस जग के सारे काम, तेरा मेरा तेरा मेरा। तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता, तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता, तू ही सुमरन विश्राम, तेरा मेरा तेरा मेरा तेरा मेरा।
Festival of Lights, one of the major festivals celebrated by Hindus, Jains and Sikhs. The festival usually lasts 5 days. The unisolar month Kartik between mid-October to mid-November. The most popular festivals of Hinduism, Diwali, symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. Now I would like to invite Virat just now to recite a beautiful poem for us.
Be filled with all the things that your heart holds very dear as the festival of lights arrives and hope again draws near.
Exuberant poem, my friend. The festival is widely associated with Lakshmi goddess of prosperity, and Ganesha, god of wisdom and remover of obstacles, with many other regional traditions connecting the holiday to Sita, Rama, Vishnu, Krishna, Durga, Shiva, Kali, Hanuman, Kuber, Yama, and Dhanvantari. Now I would like to call upon stage the students of grade 1B to present a beautiful and melodious devotional song.
Okay.